Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. First step to do this is opening settings application, where you must scroll down and look for accessibility option. In it, magnification, and there we must turn on first function. Confirm I got it, and we have our shortcut magnification. To zoom our screen, tap on it and tap on screen. You can also change position of your zoom using two fingers and swiping on the screen. You can zoom on or zoom out, or you can, when you use only one finger, you can only go up and down. To turn off it, tap on shortcut again, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.